Meaning of handset.
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 Handset. The term handset generally refers to a device that is held in the hand while making or receiving a call, such as a mobile phone or a telephone receiver. The term can also refer to a component of a telephone that includes the earpiece and mouthpiece. Handsets are important communication tools that allow people to stay connected over long distances. They come in many shapes and sizes, with various features and capabilities. Overall, the term handset represents the physical device that facilitates voice communication between individuals, whether through landline telephones or mobile devices.